Hi guys, Debjyoti here from websotip.com and today's subject is Google Panda update. Okay, so let's start. So what is basically Google Panda update? It's one of the major updates till now released by Google. This update, actually the Google start working on this update from 2011. After 2 years internally they check how it's performing and they start they give the official release in 2013. After this Google Panda update get released, so many non-popular websites lost its ranking. Not only the non-popular website but also so many popular big websites also lost their ranking due to this Google Panda algorithm. So it's a question now, what's the reason behind that Google Panda update affect your website? So let's talk about the reason. First reason is website with low quality content. When the content unable to deliver its value, means some website owner or some web developer or designer create a page only for advertising, or after clicking so many things also you doesn't able to reach the proper content. This type of content called low quality content. Another reason is website work as a content farm. Hence content farm the meaning that so many big content, and not only big, there is so many unnecessary content also, like some spammy content or low quality content, etc. Another reason is website that has spammy content. So spammy content means like non-proper or low quality content you can steal, or like spammy also the meaning is like unable to deliver the value, or after the page is created only for advertising purpose, only it's get redirect and the viewer doesn't get the proper value or doesn't get the proper result. Another reason is so many useless page index in Google from the website. I want to tell that for some time, for the black hat issue or for some reason, some people create some useless pages and which also get indexed by Google. In this case, Google think that website is not proper, so Google Panda update can hit your website in this case. Another major important point is the duplicate content. The duplicate content means if you copy the content from another website or from another blog, then it's called duplicate content. It's very bad. Who use this practice, actually there is a huge possibility that your website get hit by Google Panda update. If you use very poor grammar in the content, then also there is a chance. If your website is not properly optimized, means your image sizes is very big and your content also takes too much time to get load, then in this case your web page takes too much time to load in website. So in this case the poor loading website in browser also cause Google Panda update. Website which is not properly optimized for SEO also cause Google Panda update. And in your content, if there is too many broken links, there also a huge possibility to your website get hit by Google Panda update. Another thing, if you use black hat technique or over optimize the, like if you do the keyword spamming or link spamming, in this case also Google Panda can hit your website. So what the impact if Google Panda update hit your website? Guys, I want to tell you this Google Panda update is a domain level penalty. So if you do something wrong in a single page of website or a single blog, then there is a huge chance if your total entire page means if your total entire domain name can get hit. Means totally your website can lost ranking for a single page. Google trusts quality of the site, means if your update, this Panda update hit your site, then Google can lose the trust factor on your website. That's very bad for future actually. And this Google Panda lowered down overall ranking for the low quality site. And in this present market, if you doesn't rank in first page or second page of Google, then there is no use actually, because 95% view on the first page and 3% viewers views on the second page, and for the remaining page there is only 2% or less than 2% of viewers. So this is the impact of the Google Panda update. So try to avoid Google Panda update. So if you do wrong and Google Panda hit your website, then what you can do? So now I am going to discuss how to recover from Google Panda update. This is the reason. The main reason is low quality content. Okay, if you use the low quality content, just remove the page or modify the page with some professional content writer. And if you use the too many broken links, try to remove the broken links, so your site can recover from Google Panda. Social media promotion also you can do. So if you do too many social media promotion, then also you can get traffic in your website from the social media. And try to use LSI keyword. LSI, it is very easy to get rank in LSI keyword compared to small keyword. Okay, and if once you hit by Google Panda update, don't try to do the same mistake again. Thank you.